it's Yazzie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed something that I've really been wanting to film for a while, and this is a DIY acrylic nail video. So I've already done the nails. You're about to watch it right now, and I'm really happy with the way that they turned out. I think they look really good. Do I think that they look like salon quality? Honestly, yes. As sad as this sounds, I've actually walked out of a salon with my nails like this, but they look really good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's Yazzie. So I forgot to film an intro to this video, so we're just gonna get started. The acrylic nail set that I bought off Amazon, I'm gonna have linked in the description below. But first thing first, what you want to do is just get the nails and then like try to fit them to your actual nail to see what fits best. I had a whole clip of me doing this and I realized that's just way too long and it's kind of self-explanatory. So yeah, you just want to fit the nails to your nail. So next, we're going to take the Kiss nail glue and just going to brush that on your nail and then on the fake nail and then press that down for about 5 seconds, and the glue dries pretty fast. The method that I used on my pinky, I probably should have used on the rest of the hand, but I didn't. So just trust that you're going to brush the nail glue on your actual fingernail and then on the fake nail. Press it down for about 5 seconds and you should be good to go. Fight. Ooh, that ain't the vibe, yeah, I'm with the tribe. You don't wanna try that, hear me on my, I said me on my, catch a flight, no layover tonight, come and ride the wave, we know how to party, you know it's the vibe, when you see my body, you can wipe me up, oh no boy I'm sorry, oh no boy I'm sorry, we gon' do this my way, it's a vibe, yeah. So for the third step, you're going to take the LA Girl ColourPop nail polish and Power Play and just go ahead and paint your nails or whatever nail color you would like to choose. I was just in the mood for a muted brown color today. And you're just going to paint your nail like you regularly would. You want to do one hand at a time. Don't try to do both hands at the same time. It's not very smart, sis. Not very smart. So yeah, just do one hand at a time. I'm also really sorry for how out of focus this part is. I didn't even realize it till right now while I'm editing the video, but I'm just painting my nails. I don't think that needs to be in too much focus. Also, what I didn't mention before is that because the nails are clear, I did about 3 or 4 coats of paint just to make sure that the paint looked nice and non-see-through. It's a vibe, yeah. Both right now. It's a vibe, yeah. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both now. It's a vibe, yeah. I don't usually do this drunk, high, but I'm both right now. Boy, bye. The fourth and final step of this video, you're just going to take a top coat. The top coat I'm using today is the LA Girl Gel Shine top coat. You're just going to use that on your nails, and what that's going to do is that's going to lock in the color. It's going to make sure that the color doesn't dull over time or chip off, and it's going to make your nails look really nice and shiny. And that is the last step of this tutorial on how to do the fake acrylic press-on nails. It's a vibe, yeah. Both right now. It's a vibe, yeah. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both now. It's a vibe, yeah. I don't usually do this drunk, high, but I'm both right now. Boy, bye. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, high, but I'm both right now. It's a vibe, yeah. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. This is the final product of how the nails look. I think they look really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY acrylic nail video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on my bell notifications. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.